fun time. So today we're doing a vlog. So today I'm with my cousins, Kyra and Kavio. I think we're going to IKEA. He's sleeping.
Oh, he's sleeping. That's why I'm waving his hand.
So I say in my next video I want to do a a musically reaction video. So you guys send me your musically names down in the comments, and then I will try and review all of yours. I'll put them all in like a hat, then I'll pick out about, depends on how much there are. If there's like about 40 names, I'll pick 20. If there's 30 names, I'll pick 15. So anyway, so this is gonna be the wrong, like a bit, not really long. So yeah, watch Kavio do some tricks. Okay, so anyway, I'll put my musically name down in the description below, and then I will tell you, you can follow me on my musicallys, like my musicallys, heart my musicallys. But anyway, what do you want to say? Say that.
And if you like this video, smash that like button, and see you guys later. Bye!
So also press the notification, like this video, and remember your musicallys. Love you guys, and the squad is gonna be super fun squad. Bit cringy, but still, if you can think of a better one for super fun time,
Subscribe down the below button.
no, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
So 3, 2, 1, bye.